Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to transform your plain Confluence space into an interactive help center using Jira Service Management and, of course, the Spacecraft app. Imagine this. Your customers or team members are reading a guide, and if they run into an issue, they can instantly submit a support request right then and there. Whether it's for technical troubleshooting, onboarding and training, product inquiries, or IT support, visitors can seamlessly submit their requests via Jira Service Management, which is directly integrated into your public Confluence site. Here I built a demo help center focused on industrial equipment. This entire knowledge base was created in Confluence and has beautifully transformed into this brand-compliant public site using our Spacecraft app. Notice the integrated JSM widget. This small but powerful addition allows customers to quickly submit requests directly from within the site. Here's how I did it. First, head over to your Jira Service Management instance. Navigate to the project settings, then go to Channels and Self-Service, and click on Widget. Here, you can quickly configure your widget to match the look and feel of your portal, adjusting colors and selecting the appropriate request types. And once you toggle it on, a snippet of code is generated for you. This code is the key, and we'll want to copy this code. Next, open up your Spacecraft app and edit the site of your choice. Open the Scripts module and click Create a Custom Script. Enter a script name and choose JSM widget as the script type. Here you can paste in that code that you copied before, click Create, and that's it. Your widget is now embedded into your Spacecraft site. Let's take a look at the embedded widget in action. We can see that with the JSM widget integrated, managing service requests becomes effortless and ensures a much more efficient support experience right where your users are already engaged. So yeah, using Spacecraft is super simple. In just a few steps, your Confluence space was transformed into a fully interactive help center. So if you're ready to elevate the support experience for your knowledge-based visitors, click the link below to try Spacecraft for yourself. It's actually entirely free for the first 30 days. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something helpful along the way, but if you do find yourself with any lingering questions, please don't hesitate to just leave a comment below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.